Whether you're a developer building data pipelines or an analyst collecting residential property listings, Minexa.ai turns websites into structured datasets in just minutes, saving you time and effort. Open the cage with your data. Minexa does not need templates or pre-built scrapers. It builds everything automatically from this single starting point. Click the Minexa extension. It handles the complexity, so you just focus on the page. Hit the button. Minexa maps out the page structure before extraction begins, detecting the residential property listings automatically. Minexa spotted the pagination. All pages will be scraped automatically each time this scraper runs. Decide between scraping results only or clicking into every row for more. Click Continue when no interaction is needed. Switch to advanced mode when content depends on a click or filter first. If the highlighted section looks correct, click Create Scraper and complete the training. Every data point was detected automatically. Visible text, hidden attributes, and metadata are all there. Just pick what you need, like property names, prices, addresses, and availability from the list, or click it on the page. Click API Request to copy working Python code. Just add your URLs and run it straight away to start extracting this data. Your setup is ready. Click Complete Configuration to save it and move to the next part. Full dataset coverage is built in. The scraper will follow every page of results without any extra steps. Your job is ready to go. If you need this data on an ongoing basis, a recurring schedule can be configured right here. Click Run and extraction starts. Dynamic content, lazy loaded sections, and client-rendered pages are handled automatically. Every column you see here is tied to a fixed point on the page. Unlike AI-based scrapers that guess where data lives, similar-looking values like prices, dates, or titles never get confused, even across thousands of rows. You'll find property names, rental prices, addresses, availability dates, and detailed descriptions all neatly organized. Download the results. Each row represents one item from the page, with fields arranged into consistent columns. Try Minexa today and replace fragile scraping scripts with a system that stays accurate and reusable over time.